Hello guys from my bicycle shop. Today I'm going to tell you about blue MTB bike. It is a beautiful bicycle. It's for the boy has 10 to 14 years old. It is easy to ride to school and for exercise. Yeah. It has front 3-speed, cylinder gear, and behind gear it has 7-speed. It is very attractive to use for all the road. Please watch the full video all together. And have to subscribe to my channel to get more new video. This is the way to set up the bicycle light. It is LED light. It's useful for the boy to ride at night. It's very bright. This light is very bright at night. Please you all look at the light all together. And thank you for your watching the end of my video. And don't forget like, comment, and subscribe all together to my channel and get more new video from my bicycle shop. Thank you. Bye bye.